NYCVILLY here. You see the blizzard, it seems like it's about to start heavily. And this is not even what it will look like when we wake up late, so early Monday morning. But you can see the wind picking up speed. Winds. You can't be walking in this without even glasses because it's blinding. One of the biggest snowstorms that hit New York. Blizzard also. So there's a nor'easter and a blizzard combined. Dude, back up. Though I'm making a video. Don't come and disturb my video. NYCVILLY is getting the coverage. Gusty wind right now. Picking up speed, guys. This is downtown Brooklyn. Oh my God, I have